Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to break down a really important topic that every beginner trading on Binance P2P should know. How to raise an appeal when something goes wrong with your order. Now, let's be honest. In most cases, Binance P2P trades are smooth. But once in a while, something can go off track. Maybe the payment doesn't come through, or the name on the payment doesn't match. No stress. I'm here to guide you through exactly what to do. First, it's good to understand how Binance protects you using its escrow system. When a P2P trade begins, Binance holds the crypto in escrow. This means the crypto is safely locked until both buyer and seller confirm the transaction is completed. It's built to protect both sides. But if something's not right, that's where the appeal process comes in. Here's how to do it. Step 1. Go to your current P2P order and tap Get Help. Binance will first suggest you contact the other party directly. You can try to fix the issue by tapping Contact Counterparty and starting a chat. If that doesn't work, scroll down and tap Appeal. Now choose the reason for your appeal. It might be, payment was not received. The name on the payment doesn't match. The payment amount is incorrect. Or maybe the seller is refusing to release your crypto. Once you choose the reason, you'll be asked to upload your proof. That can include screenshots of your payment or transfer, your bank receipt, or a chat conversation, inside Binance only, that shows you've done your part. Important tip: keep all conversations inside the Binance app. Don't use WhatsApp or Telegram. Binance support needs to see everything clearly in one place. After you submit your appeal, the other party has 10 minutes to respond. During this time, your crypto stays safely held in escrow. If they don't reply within 10 minutes, or if they click Negotiation Failed, Binance customer support will jump in to review all the evidence. If you both settle the issue, the other party can click Consensus Reached to cancel the appeal. But if not, Binance's support team checks the proof and decides who is in the right, then releases the crypto accordingly. You'll get a result notification through your Binance app or email, and your order will be marked completed or canceled. Now let's talk smart. Here are a few tips to avoid this hassle altogether. 1. Always check your bank or wallet app and confirm the money arrived before releasing any crypto. 2. Only trade with verified merchants or traders with good ratings and a strong history. 3. Keep all communication on the Binance platform. It keeps you protected. 4. Never release crypto before you're absolutely sure the fiat money hit your account. And that's it! That's how you handle disputes and raise an appeal the right way on Binance P2P. If you found this helpful, go ahead and subscribe, and check out the description below. I've left my personal Binance referral link down there. Sign up using that link and you'll get exclusive beginner bonuses, including a first top-up bonus and other rewards. And if you top up your account, you can DM me to join my private Telegram group where I'll guide you step by step. Thanks for watching. Stay sharp, trade smart, and I'll catch you in the next one.